Communication is really important in our daily life. But do we all have the same communication styles? Well guys, no. There are basically 5 communication styles. Let's see which one is yours. Guys, my name is Nisha and I'm a soft skills trainer. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then do it quickly because we have series of videos that will help you to learn communication at a very fast pace. So let's get started. So number 1 communication style is assertive. A person using this style is confident in their convictions but make sure that they do not belittle or steamroll others in the conversation. They seek compromise and consensus through active listening and clearly expressing their wants or needs. Second communication style is aggressive. Well, as the name suggests, this communication style can be hostile, threatening, and comes from a place of wanting to win at all costs. They behave as if their contribution to the conversation is more important than anyone else, and the content of their message is often lost because of the tone of their delivery. Another communication style is passive. This type of communication is also known as submissive communication style. Another way of describing it is the people pleaser type. This type of communication is self-effacing, conflict avoidant, and easygoing. Another communication style is passive aggressive. This style of communication, as the name suggests, combines aspects of both passive and aggressive communication style. The passive exists on the surface while the aggressive simmers beneath. And the last but not the least, manipulative. Well, this style of communication uses cunning, deceit, and influence to control the outcome of the conversation and thus the action of the people around them. They rarely say what they mean. Instead, they will bury their real goals within layers of confusion to get their way without the other person even realizing it. It's about these 5 types of communication styles. Well, as we all know that the best is being assertive all the time. So guys, if you really like this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe this channel. So I'll meet you very soon. Till then, bye bye and take care.